Hi, this is Shelly Mathis, CEO of Shelly Mathis Counseling Services, LLC, and thank you for visiting my website. I am a licensed clinical therapist with over 15 years of experience. I specialize in mental health, substance abuse, and trauma. As you go through our website, you'll see many different services that we provide, such as assessments, dual diagnosis, child and adolescence therapy, group counseling for depression, substance abuse and anxiety, couples therapy, spiritual counseling, marriage and family therapy, just to name a few. You know, Shelly Mathis Counseling Services believes in serving our community. So we do other things beside the counsel. One thing that we do is Injection for Your Soul, which are many, I call empowerments, to empower you, to motivate you to get up and to change some things. And these are given once a week, and you can find them on our website as well. We also have Healing Families, Healing Relationships. And Healing Families, Healing Relationships is exactly what it means. We create different seminars and webinars to heal the family. We have a conference, and I'm so excited. We have a conference coming up this year in 2016 for our Healing Families, Healing Relationships, and more information will be coming. So get ready, and I want to see you there. We are located in 4 different locations. Our first location is 1901 North Ridge Road. Our next location is 2301 Scranton Road in Cleveland, Ohio, in the Fortaleza building. And we are also located at 41641 North Ridge Road, and that's also stationed in the Fortaleza building. And then we are located in Euclid, Ohio, and we're at the Omni Park building, and we are there for groups, for mental health, for whatever your need is. How to contact us, you'll see it on our website. And how to contact us, I will give it to you in just a short moment. But I want to, again, reiterate and thank you for visiting our website. The number that you can contact us for services is 330-577-8548. Again, that number is 330-577-8548. And we will do our best to try to fulfill and to help your needs. We are here to change your life, for you to reach your goal, and for you to be happy.